Oh, I see. You noticed the cufflinks. So, we are back to the video. The cufflinks I have today is a toggle lock, or as some call it, the bullet back cufflinks. Now, this video is all about how to wear cufflinks with a regular shirt. The shirt I have today has buttons in the sleeves, but still they can be worn with a cufflink for a more dressier occasion. Before we begin, let me tell you that this is a two-segment video. The first part is about the structure of the shirt, and second, the techniques on how to use it. And yes, you guessed it right. Today we are going to talk about convertible cuffs. By look, it is a regular shirt, but a single hidden detail makes all the difference. In my opinion, this is a better option than the French cuff, which can only be worn with a cufflink. The key element of this shirt is that it has a buttonhole in between the two buttons, which normally a shirt doesn't possess. To be clear, I had this shirt custom made and it was tailored as per my specifications. This is another shirt I had custom made, a black shirt, which is by the way a must have. I found that there was a lack of pictures of convertible cuffs on Google, but you can clearly show a still of this video to a tailor and he will be able to identify what you want. Now, I will be demonstrating the two techniques or ways through which you can use a cufflink on these shirts. There are two ways you can wear a cufflink with this shirt. To achieve the first look, all you have to do is keep on putting the rear end of the cufflinks in the holes that come in your way. No pun intended. This French cuff style should be reserved for a black tie event or perhaps a wedding. In the second style, the cuff is kept in a similar manner as you would when wearing it buttoned. This may seem hard to you, but over time, believe me, you will become a master. All done and click. Here, this style is a less formal, more office going, or you can say business casual look. This can also be pulled off in a casual environment. And the French cuff style will look something like this. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.